Hey guys, today we will take a look at brake fluid change. We need basic tools and a friend for this job, so let's go. If you don't know which fluid you need, it is always written on the cap itself. If you have mesh under the cap, take it out. Now we can start by removing old brake fluid from reservoir. And pour new fluid in. Help yourself with funnel. I can only recommend to clean any brake fluid spill, because these fluids are highly corrosive. An accidental spill can damage the paint on your car. Now we can start with the brake which is furthest from ABS block. Mine is on the passenger side, so I will start with driver side rear brake. Prepare your bleed screw and wrench. Put some transparent tube on the screw. The other end of tube should go to some container. When your friend pumps the brake pedal, loosen the bleed screw. The brake pedal will go down, after that tighten it back and repeat. Repeat this procedure until you can see clean fluid coming out. Don't forget to watch your fluid level in reservoir. If you empty the reservoir, you will pull air into your brake system. Continue with opposite brake caliper. I couldn't loosen the bleed screw, so I will help myself with hammer. And just repeat the procedure.
Looks like you lost another one.
Onto the front brakes. Nothing changes, start with the caliper, which is further from ABS block. At the end, check your fluid level. Fill it up to max mark on the reservoir. Thank you for watching.